Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening a Motilal Oswal trading and demat account. This lets you hold and transact shares securely. Complete eKYC and sign digital agreements. This verifies identity and links your bank for settlements. Once done, fund the trading ledger using UPI, IMPS, or NEFT. Make sure funds clear before placing orders. This step matters because an unfunded account will reject buy orders, so confirm the balance and note any bank-to-broker processing time. You log into the Motilal Oswal app or website and search the stock by symbol. Choose the correct order type, CNC for delivery if you want to hold shares, MIS for intraday, and enter quantity and price. Market order executes immediately, limit waits for price. Once you set DAY or GTC validity, review margin requirements and estimated brokerage so you don't face rejects. Make sure order size matches lot restrictions and your available funds. Modify price if partial fills occur. You confirm the executed order by checking the order book and trade ID. This proves the trade went through. Remember, delivery shares typically credit to your demat on T+2 days, so watch your portfolio. If the order is pending or fails, troubleshoot immediately. Check available funds, margin, correct symbol, or circuit limits, and retry with adjusted price or quantity. If problems persist, contact Motilal Oswal support with order ID. Having that ID speeds resolution and prevents duplicate trades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.